When we run a WordPress website, sometimes we would want to add just another level of security to our website. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do that. And by that, I mean that you can change your WP admin login URL. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you log in into your WP admin dashboard, what you want to do is head over to plugins, add new, and search here either login or temporary login. Over here, WPS hide login. So let's install this plugin and activate it. And now scroll down till you see the WPS hide login. Go to settings, and in the settings, it will direct you down to the settings to the general tab right over here to WPS hide login. And it will show you the login URL, which you can change to whatever you want to. So for this example, I'll be doing this is new login. And if, for example, you want to redirect hacker or the one person that is trying to hack your website and gain access of your website, you can redirect him to another page of your choice down over here. In this case, it says or redirects the person to the 404 page, which you can set also if you have a website builder like Elementor and create a simple template for that matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one and save it to my notes. Once I've saved the ending URL or the new login URL, what I want to do is save the changes. So those changes will be applied. After that, I want to sign out or log out. And then I want to try this exact URL or to try to log into the website using the WP admin. So as we can see right now, it redirects me to the 404 webpage, as you can see here in the URL. So let's try our new URL at the end of our website. So let's paste this one, log in, and now you can see that it redirects me into the WP or to the login page of the WordPress website. And this is how you can change your WP login URL or WP admin login URL. If you would like to see any more videos on the matter, whether it's WordPress, WooCommerce, or Elementor, or any other plugin on the matter, I'll be really happy if you put it down in the comments below. And if this video helped you, I'll be really glad if you drop a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos or to keep you updated on the matters and all the tricks and tips on WordPress or all this world of WordPress. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.